Secondly, there is some commission which is being charged from them, some 25% on a scheme which was taken out long time back, and that scheme has ended, but still the commission is being charged from them, which is quite unfair, which we must talk to the authorities to waive that off. And thirdly, they want that there should be some enhancement of the budget. The budget of some 17 crores per year seems to be a bit less for the papers in Goa, and they want the enhancement of the budget. And besides that, there are not any major problems of the print media, which is very encouraging to see in a state. And especially Goa is quite a progressive state and friendly state, and the print media people are happy. But naturally, it means that they are being looked after. But then there are a few things which we would like to speak to the higher authorities and see that they are also, those obstacles are also removed.
Have you got any complaints about publications regarding the rates and all?
Yes, we have received public complaints from people in Goa. That's why we are here. Otherwise, why would we come? Until and unless there are some complaints coming up from the state, we wouldn't be coming here. So we got complaints from some people. And we came here to check regarding the advertisement policy, which does not exist here. I'm surprised that there is no advertisement policy. Maybe the number of papers are less, that is why. And you have one-to-one relationship with every INPR department of the papers. But there has to be advertisement policy.
Earlier they never used to charge commission. Government never used to charge commission. All of a sudden, with a small meeting with all the publications, they are deducting 25% commission on advertisements, which is quite high.
But why? Why is this?
This is a government decision.
Huh?
This is a government decision they have taken.
So before taking this decision, they talk.
There was a small meeting with all the publications saying that there was a small campaign which government wanted to start. They invited all the publications and they said this is what campaign we want to start. For this particular campaign, we want some discount on rate, which we agreed, and they have deducted 24%, and that has been followed. Since then, it has been followed.
No, if you have agreed, then why are you complaining for it?
We have not agreed for that. This was just communication. It was just a communication. In that meeting also, we have not agreed for that.
You have agreed for 25%.
We have not agreed for that.
For that campaign.
We also not agreed for that campaign.
Oh.
There was no agreement on that issue also. It was just a formal meeting was invited. And that, I don't know, after that the decision has been taken by the government and government started deducting the 25% commission. Which we request, that shouldn't be. Because there was no practice in the past.
Yes. It started with the 15%, now it has come up to the 25% now.
Was that campaign for the benefit of the newspaper people?
No.
What campaign is it for?
It's a Ladli Lakshmi scheme.
Ladli Lakshmi scheme, which was launched by the government.
Women and Child Department.
Women and Child Department.
It was 2012.
2012. That 25 governments is to be siphoned to Child Department, Child Development Department, not for media and nothing.
We were not aware what it was.